Hey guys, my name is Chanel with the 380 on YouTube, 1A in real life, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 9, which is going up late because it is day 9, and I just got off of work. We had our little holiday party, so I wore this green sweater and some jeans with some chucks. I got this sweater from Hollister a long time ago. So it's just like a green, I think this is like chenille is what the fabric type is called. But yeah, I just got this little sweater, and I wear it for like holiday parties and stuff. Well, for like casual holiday time. But it's hot as heck outside. It's 80 degrees today.
Mom.
What?
Mom, I want to take it off this one.
You can't take it off. It's 77 degrees today. The high was 79. So yeah. But I am going to go to the store as soon as Daniel gets back. Daniel had to drop his truck off to get something done, and when I got here he wasn't here, and neither was Caleb. So I looked for Caleb's location and they on their way home now. But basically I need to go to the store. I need to go to Sephora to return that lipstick thing that gave me the two of the same lipsticks when it was supposed to be two different ones. And while I'm at Sephora, because Sephora is not inside JCPenney anymore, Sephora is inside of Kohl's. So while I'm going to Sephora inside of Kohl's right here by my house to do that, I can also go to do my Amazon returns because I have a couple of Amazon things to return. And then I think I'm just going to go shopping for gifts. For their stuff, because Dan's gonna be gone this weekend, and it's kind of early, but things do kind of like end up going off the shelves if you don't get it in time. So I think I'm gonna go to Target because that's kind of just where I went last year, because I went late last year. So I'm probably just gonna end up going to Target and just getting a few things at least so that we can have something set aside just in case things do start flying off the shelves for their gifts. So remember I told you I had went to that Sephora specifically to get that Fenty Beauty, the butter drop whipped cream, whipped oil, body oil, whatever it is. I wanted to get the one with the Sparkle Flex in it. So they didn't have it at that other Sephora that I was at. And I looked online to see if I could get it, basically buy it and go pick it up or get it delivered to the house, and they didn't have it online either. So I ordered it directly off the Fenty site. I ordered another cream blush. This one is like a brighter red. And then I ordered, I got a lip balm that came with it. So for the Fenty order, the lip balm and the body butter, it came together as a package.
You hate me.
Yeah, so the oil came together as a package with the Gloss Bomb Ice Cooling Lip Plumper or Lip Luminizer in Cold Hearted. It's like you guys are not gonna be able to see it, but anyway, it's just a lip balm. It's a clear lip balm. I think it might be blue, have like a blue tint to it, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna go on like a clear one. And then I got another cream blush, but I got this one in Daiquiri Dip. And then I got a free makeup bag that came with the order. So I got that from Fenty. And then I also got the shapewear that I wanted. So I ended up getting on Skims. I have nothing else from Skims. But what I ended up getting from Skims was, let me view my order. I got the Sculpting Thong High Waist, I guess, panties in Sienna. So I got those in this brown flesh tone color. And the sculpting one, I got it in a XX small / extra small because they didn't have any smalls. And at the time, they didn't have any other shapewear that had a thong. Like they were all like shorts and stuff like that. And although I could have worn something like that under the mini dress, I didn't want that. I wanted like a thong instead. So I ended up getting that one. And that shapewear is supposed to like really suck you in. Thing is that I wear a small, not an extra small anymore. I used to wear extra small about half a year ago, but I do not wear extra small anymore. And so I've been noticing that extra smalls fit kind of tight on me. So I don't know how it's gonna fit but I got it anyway because that's what they had. And then I got the Soft Lounge long slip dress in heather gray because that's the only color that they had in a small for that as well. But I wanted to get one because Alexis Rebecca, I was watching one of her vlogs and she had mentioned that it was like a really good little, I think that's the one that she got, but she was like, it's a really good like slip dress to wear around the house and stuff like that. Oh, and I got some wax today that I bought from Amazon the other day so that I could wax my legs and my armpits and stuff. And then I ended up, because literally today, when I was checking my email, Skims did a restock. So I ended up getting the Sheer Sculpt bandeau top, the Sheer Sculpt high waist thong again, but this is the sheer material, not the other material. So this material is more of a lighter hold. Then I got the ultrafine mesh strapless bra, and I got all of those in onyx, which is the black color. So it's the sheer stuff, light hold, oops, and I ended up being able to get everything in a size small. So low key, this is gonna sound weird. So this is what I got. Low key, I ain't gonna lie, I think that it was a scam. I think once you order something, everything's in stock all of a sudden.
My what?
That's all I'm saying about that. Because what?
Over here.
Oh, the elf?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness, y'all, look, the elf in a tree. How did he get there? How did he get there?
But it's going tea.
Oh my goodness. He bad.
Mm-hmm. I'm not going over here.
Yeah, he not over there.
It's going over here.
So I ended up getting that stuff just to try it and then see what's gonna end up working out for me. I don't have anything else Skims. I don't normally buy shapewear, but I've been drinking my way into a healthy waistline. So we're gonna see how the shapewear works. I hope I really like it. Also, I'll be able to test out the difference between the tight hold, like the high hold, max hold shapewear versus a lighter hold shapewear and what it feels like for me. So I'm excited. And not that I plan to continue using shapewear, but I just want to know what it's like. So yeah, so I got the other stuff, all the black stuff in a size small, and then I got the other one that has more hold in a size extra small and / extra small. It did say on the site though that was for sizes 0 to 2. I'm about a 2. Then for small / I think it was small / medium or something like that. For those sizes, it was 4, 6, 8, I think. I don't remember. But I know for sure that I wouldn't be able to fit a 4. I fit a 2 comfortably, but I can no longer fit a 0. So that's my dilemma. I could get into a 0, but it would be kind of tight and restricting. Like I have some extra small leggings from Naked Wardrobe, and also I have small leggings from Naked Wardrobe. The extra small ones they be cutting in my stomach. They be digging in my stomach too much now, so I don't really mess with those. But anyway, this vlog's gonna go up late because I gotta go shopping, and then I'll come back home. Then I'll be able to edit it, post it, and everything like that. Plus, I got now 10 minutes of footage that I have to go through and cut out all the ums and edit and everything like that. So, okay, you can eat the marshmallows. So yeah, I will see you guys later, probably out at the shops. Okay, so I'm at Kohl's right now. It's dark in here because I don't have bright lights in my car. But anyway, I'm at Kohl's. I'm about to go in here and return this stuff to Sephora, which is literally, I think it was just the lipstick. Yeah, it was just the lipstick problem. So I'm gonna go in here and handle the lipstick thing, and then I have my Amazon returns, which is those extra Christmas lights that I had bought that I didn't need anymore because I went to Target and got some. I bought this Christmas shirt for Caleb, the Frosty the Snowman, because he has like a special week where they do something every week related to Christmas. And Frosty the Snowman Day passed and the shirt didn't come, so I'm returning that because it was like $17 for a little thin raggedy shirt. And then this was also $17. It's a Frozen sweater, but this thing also is thin and raggedy. It's worth like $5. So I'm returning this. They got me toe back if they think I'm finna just waste my money like that. So I'm finna go return that, the Christmas lights, and this little lipstick situation. all back to Amazon and up here inside of Sephora. So I'll be back, because how much did this lipstick cost me? This set, I think this is the right set, but I think it's only, yeah, this is the right set. So this set was $12, but that's $12 I can spend on my lunch. I gotta start thinking better when it comes to my money and spending and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm not gonna take y'all in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this real quick, and I'll be right back, and I'll let y'all know how. Okay, so I ended up getting the lipsticks in the right shades this time. And I also got Caleb a burgundy Nike sweater, as well as some gray sweatpants for Christmas. I don't know if I really believe in buying your kids stuff that they need, like clothes and shoes, for Christmas, but he is getting a little bit older and he's kind of out of the toys stage, like figurine toys and stuff like that. He had a ton of Hot Wheels in a Hot Wheel garage, but he's out of that stage now too. So he's mostly into like games and video games and stuff like that, but we buy all of that digitally. So it's gonna be a little bit harder to shop for him this year, but I decided that I was gonna get him a couple of clothing items, something that was, I don't know, I feel like the Nike sweatshirt and the Nike sweatpants, because he did ask for more sweatpants that I got from Kohl's, but they weren't name brand, they were just regular sweatpants, and I didn't feel like spending the time to look for them. So instead I just got some of the Nike ones that were right there. They seem pretty comfortable, so we're gonna package that up and get it to him for Christmas. So now I have to go down, I don't know if I'm gonna go to Target first or Lowe's first, but I'm probably gonna go to Lowe's, because that's another return. I need to return that janky ass paint they gave me that don't match the walls. They did 2 color matches and neither color matched. So I'm about to return that paint, because paint is not cheap at all. So I'm about to figure that out, and then I'll probably go into Target after that, and then I'm gonna make my way back down this way towards home, and I'll probably go into a Ross, maybe PetSmart, and Home Goods. So let me go that way. Would y'all believe me if I told you I forgot to go to Lowe's first? And I was literally driving for like 3 minutes and I forgot that I need to go to Lowe's first. We're at Target and I'm about to get the milk first, because I don't want to forget to get milk. This milk was $7.69. That's way too expensive for my kids to be drinking it like they baby cows. So Michaela is easiest to shop for, because they have all types of girl stuff. Very things you can wear. She wanted this. She has this Barbie Jeep already. So let me look for the airplane. Caleb has been wanting a new water bottle for school, so this one is perfect. It's a thermos. It has the little silicone straw on it. And yeah, it's perfect. So Caleb is into stuff he can build, and he wanted a bunch of like Discovery science kits and stuff. So along those lines, they have this. It's like a build your own remote control car, and you literally build the whole thing. So I'm gonna grab this. And because Caleb's getting one, Michaela's gonna get one. She's gonna want one to play with his. So I'm gonna get this Yoshi, unless I find something different. I'm just gonna get her this little Yoshi one, remote control car. So I think I'm done Christmas shopping for the kids. Michaela was super easy to shop for. Oh, I was looking for this, and it's not even in the right spot, but it's what I wanted. I was looking for one of these little heads for her, and this one wasn't even in the right spot. Look at that. Caleb was a little bit harder to shop for, but I did get him some sets. Like I got this Bobble Run thing. I got him like 4 of these National Geographic things, but light up rockets, and then a science magic kit, and then a regular science chemistry kit. Now I think I'm done shopping for the kids, now that I found that. I was looking for one, but I couldn't find one that like I really liked, that looked like what I wanted it to look like. So I'm glad I found that in the wrong spot, but it works out. So now I got the milk already, so I wouldn't forget it, but I do need deodorant for myself. So, oh, more toys. Hold up, I think Artie was over here. Nah, them is all the same toys. So I spent about as much as I thought I would spend. I'm pretty much done with the bulk of the kids' Christmas shopping. We'll probably get small things here and there wherever we go, but I feel like the bulk of it is pretty much done, except for like I said, just those smaller things that we might find and think might be good, or any specialized things for Caleb. Michaela, super easy, knock that out probably. There might be one thing, that big Encanto little set, that I might return and exchange for something different. I'm not sure yet, but that's pretty much done. So pro tip, what we do is when we get our tax return back, we set money aside for Christmas so that it's already there and we don't have to worry about how much we're able to spend and stuff like that. So I set it aside in an account literally called the Christmas Fund, and we just utilize that money to buy all the kids Christmas presents every single year. So yeah, now I'm about to finally go to Lowe's to return this paint cans, and then like I said, I'm gonna make my way back down toward home and grab, what do I need? I'm gonna go into Home Goods. I don't remember what I needed to go into Home Goods for, but probably just to look around. So I may or may not actually go into Home Goods, but I know I need to go into like a Ross or something like that to get a dog bed for Kane, and I might look into like some CBD type gummies or some calming gummies, and then some, what are they called, some like motion sickness type, not gummies, treats, and then maybe some motion sickness type of treats as well for the car ride, because Daniel's gonna drive down there and do an exchange with our friend who's gonna take him, since he's not coming with us to the new place. So yeah, let me go to Lowe's. I'm not taking y'all to Lowe's, but if I do go to another store, I might take y'all in there. If I go to PetSmart or Ross or whatever to find a little cheap dog bed and then those little treats, I may take y'all in there. I'm not sure yet, but let me go over here and do this. Y'all, I'm at Marshall's. They actually have a Marshall's, Ross, Michael's, and a PetSmart over here, so I might as well do it while I'm over here instead of driving over by the house and going into Home Goods when I don't need to be inside of Home Goods. But they have a Marshall's over here. I meant to say Marshall's because I don't think Ross be Rossing like that. Like, I don't think Ross be having that heat, that fire. So I'm about to go in here. Oh, my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna just have to see y'all when I get home. So I found the perfect dog bed at Marshall's. I told you Marshall's be having that heat, they be having that fire. They have a lot of good stuff in there too, especially Christmas decor. But I found a dog bed over there that would be perfect for like traveling, because if Dale decides to put him in the back of his truck and lift up the seats, he'll be able to just lay this dog, it's like a flat dog bed, out, or if he sits in the front, it's flat, so it's flexible. It's just like a pillow. So I got that. I did not go to PetSmart because PetSmart was closed. What else? I returned them 2 cans of paint. I had a gallon of paint, and then I also had a smaller little quart of paint. $54. And to think that I almost wasn't gonna return them. Yeah, $54 back on my card. So I did that. Now I'm about to just see if Daniel wants something to eat really quick and then go home. And that's probably going to be the end of Vlogsmas. So I'll see y'all this time for real when I get home.